Ford F250 Super Duty. Now, I'm going to try to get as much into this video as I can. I'm even going to pop the engine hood, start it up, and let you listen to the sound of the truck. So here we go, folks. 6.7 liter powerstroke turbo diesel. There you go. Listen to that purr. I'll pop the engine hood here. So there you go. 6.7 liter powerstroke. All kinds of power and torque on this baby. Right? So yeah. Love it. This is the Platinum edition. Very, very nice. And it's got the 285 millimeter tires, 75 R18s, Wrangler, Goodyear Wranglers. As you can see, the suspension down in here. Very nice, right? So, really like the color of this one. They did a nice job here. You got the Ford right into the trailer mirrors. So, get the step side here, which is great. And again, we'll go back here. We'll take a look at the suspension and the springs back here, right? You got the Tremor logo on the back of the box. Get the nice blacked out edition around the back here. So you get the step side here, back of the bumper. All your sensors right there, right? Very nice truck. Trailer hitch right here, right? All your connections right there. You get your camera right here. Nice good sized bed here. So yeah, very nice detail in this one. Close-up look there, the exhaust. And pretty well the same over here. A little pricey, these trucks, but hey, it is a Platinum. I forgot to mention that earlier. This is the Platinum edition, so a lot of nice good tech. For you of those folks that are watching the video here from the USA, you're going to get an awful probably scare on the price here. So this is Canadian funds, remember? So yeah, so we got $129,655, right? And as you can see here, this is the sticker here with all the options. It's your standard equipment. There's your options right here. Hopefully you can see that in the video. So we'll jump around the other side, the driver's side, and we'll take a look and get inside the truck. Watch this when I hit the unlock with the power sliding rails that come out. Pretty nice, right? Real nice feature when you unlock your truck. Real nice detail here. You got all your window controls here, your memory settings for if you have 2 or 3 different drivers that are going to use the truck. This one has the power adjustable seats, of course, with the beautiful leather accent here. There's the platinum badge on the seat. You get your nice stitching right there. So here's your sticker for your trailer weight right there. If you want to zoom in there and pause it, your tire pressure stuff there. You got the nice platinum. You got the platinum badge there inside the vehicle, right? Right down to the detail here. Now we're inside the vehicle. As you can see, you have all your options here. Your trailer brake control set up here. 2-wheel, high wheel drive mode, 4-wheel low, right? You got the lock-in differential all set up as well there. All your controls there for your radio functions, all your options there to adjust your dual heat and air conditioning. Charger there for your mobile phone, your HDMI stuff and all this other stuff right there as well. You get the cup holders here. Even right down to the platinum badge right there on the center console. I mean, this truck is just beautiful. It's a gorgeous truck all the way around. You got the console there, and I'm pretty sure, let me see here. No, I guess it doesn't move. You've even got the cup holders back here. So, but look at the detail of this truck. It's beautiful. Because this is a platinum, top of the line truck. Green here. I'll start the truck up here in a moment to take a look at all the stuff on there. So you got your phone set up here, like you want to hit the phone, and get all your menus here on the steering wheel. So you get your menu, all your OK up and down for the menus when you're going through the digital cluster, and the phone icon there if you want to call somebody. I even like the platinum stamped right into the steering wheel here. You'll also have all your cruise control functions over here, and your speakers up and down, your voice recognition there on the side here. So let's start it up here and see. There we go. This has the heads-up display as well. You could probably see that in the windshield there. Let's see here. Yeah, so you got the heads-up display right there in the windshield. And here's all your settings here. Here's the screen here. And I'll let the truck just warm up just a little bit before I hit all of the camera views. Now, it's got all heated seats, of course. As you can see, it's all lit up there on the dash to let you know everything's working properly. So, a lot of different functions here. You can access everything from here. We'll put it in reverse and see what the cameras look like on the dash. There we go. So there's your camera functions. You've got the 360 all the way around. There's the backup there. So if you want to change this and go like this, that'll give you the 3D of 3 different views. So you got your right side, left side, and your center. Put that back there. This should be just the backup camera right there, right on the trailer hitch to line up your trailer hitch better. If you're backing into a trailer, it saves a lot of guesswork, right? Because there's your bumper right there. So your trailer hitch would be right there. So it's cool, pretty neat. And back to that view there. I'll put that back in reverse. All right, so you get all your different apps and everything here. So it's very nice. And all your auxiliary buttons up top here, right? And your buttons here as well. So yeah, it's a very nice truck. And this has got the full, it's got the full sunroof, panoramic sunroof up top here. I'm not going to open it because we had a little bit of a storm. I'm going to jump out here now and let you listen to the rumble of this thing while I'm outside. There you go. Listen to that purr. I'll pop the engine hood here. So there you go. 6.7 liter Power Stroke. All kinds of power and torque on this baby. Right? So yeah. Love it. Got your tow hooks down here. So yeah, tow hooks down there. So there you go. Ford logo up top. Very nice. Lots of room back here. All right. Beautiful truck. You've got the controls here for the back passengers. If they want heated seats for the back, the 2 buttons there, which is cool. So yeah. And I forgot to mention, big shout out to Highland Ford here in Westville, Nova Scotia. In the area, come on in and see the guys and girls and they'll hook you up. I'm going to show you another nice feature here. When I get close to the door handle of the truck, the actual running boards are going to come out. Watch this. I'm going to get close to it. Watch. See that? I didn't even open the door yet. And it knew that I was getting close to getting in. So, pretty nice feature, right? Yeah. So there you have it. The Ford F250 Tremor Super Duty Platinum Edition. Hope you enjoyed the video. And again, please comment down in the comment section. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.